Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1957 150. This one here is a 454 under the hood. Looks like we got power steering, aluminum radiator. Pretty solid big block car with 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around, American racing wheels. Got bucket seats. This should be a pretty fun ride here. Check us out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Shipping and financing is available, and that's all on my website there. We do test drives with every car on the lot. Be sure to check out our inventory located on our website as well. We update that every Monday. All right, guys. We're getting ready to take off down the road. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, share these videos. It helps us out greatly. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of check the interior out before we leave. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's a little game we like to play on this channel. Another thing people are asking, what does this smell like? Kind of smells like new vinyl. Carpet's nice and clean. Everything looks pretty good in here. Let's start her up. Starts right up. We do not have a tack. The engine temp's still cold right now, so we'll watch and see if it comes up. The gas gauge, 3/4 of a tank. I bet it works. I can't even read the mileage right now. I think it says 38,000. Can't stand behind that. It's a 57 model. I just can't prove that it's actually that mileage. It's not the original motor. Windshield wipers do work. I doubt that radio works. Probably not even gonna try it. Yeah, no. Fan, it's gonna need a blower motor put in it. There's no AC on this one. Let's try this horn. No horn, I don't even see one under the dash. Tilt column, definitely a different column. This thing's all up in your face. If you're a short driver, this would be perfect. Okay. Let's take off. Alright, got y'all set up in the window. We're gonna take off down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will point out and let you know. That's why I do these videos. I've been doing it for a while too. There's a ton of them out here, and I'll mark them sold when they sell. So first thing I noticed, it needs seat belts. There's no seat belts in here. Engine temperature is now coming up, so we're good to take off. I usually just let it come up a little bit, you know, get some heat running through that motor, get it all lubricated. You can see how close this column is. The brakes already feel good. 4-wheel disc brakes, pretty nice to have. Let's see what she's got. Big shift in. Yeah. You can really get down on this one. It's got a really nice shift kit in it. You got to get the R's way up. I just noticed that. A little bogged down. We're still at about 150 on the engine temperature, so. Feels pretty good. We're going straight down the road. The steering is nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Speedometer's working. Gas gauge is floating around. It should be working good. Actually, when we first got this, we put gas in it, and the gas gauge does work. It was at a 1/4 tank. We put 20 bucks in it, got 3/4 of a tank. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and pull in this parking lot over here, get some outside shots, and continue this test drive. We'll also do a walk around video, point out any chips, scratches, undercarriage shots, interior shots. All that extra stuff is in a full walk around video. This is just the test drive. We'll link them together at the end of this. Just go to the last 30 seconds. Basically, once you finish this video out, just click on the other one, then you'll know everything about the car. Let's get these shots. Alright guys, leaving the parking lot after doing the walk around video and all the outside drive shots, and our engine temp is at 190. That was a lot of sitting around too, so that's pretty good. It's not overheating at all, it's all good. We're gonna go ahead and go these back roads. Now listen to it. This is the shift kit here. Now if I get into it a little bit, it'll shift. Shifts nice and hard and firm. It's meant to do that. That's what somebody installed that shift kit for. Racks the R's up, chirps the tires. Basically what they put it in there for. And it really wants to chirp the tires. Engine temperature's already back down to 175, just driving a little bit. So it only really picked up about 15 degrees sitting in the parking lot. That's not bad at all. It's got a couple electric fans up front too. Actually, engine temp's almost down to 165 now. It's down to like, it's pretty cold out here today. I'd say they were saying it's gonna get no higher than 45. Starting to get colder here in Tennessee. I was looking forward to it though. get a little tire chirp out over here, as long as the road's open enough. Come on, if you're gonna pull out in front of me, get on up there. Really? We're only going 30, my man. I believe this guy's on his phone or something. Get behind him, give him some space. All right, now we're turning on that road with the speed bump in it. See how the suspension is. It's felt pretty good pretty much this whole trip here. So. Right here. Ooh, a little bumpy. See, that's why I like that speed bump. You can really tell the difference. Stiff in the front end. You can definitely tell this car has been lowered a little bit sitting down on the wheels. Definitely gives it a better look. Stiffer ride. Guys, just seen something sweet. Look at that mirror. They got it wired up and turn signals in it. Hold up. Awesome. Wow, that's pretty cool. I need to get some of those in mine. That's awesome. You act like I ain't never seen them on new cars. Just on the old cars, I actually have it. Not on this model or those style mirrors. That's very cool. Little chirp that time, just a little chirp. All right, let's pull back in the lot here. We're gonna go ahead and get some other cars out and take some more test drives. Let's keep them rolling, guys. Look at that one sitting there. She a beast. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post test drive videos like this all the time. You can check us out. We've got about, I don't know, 1,500 to 2,000 videos on here. I haven't checked in a while. Check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories.
Yeah, check them out.
You can also get close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We update our website every Monday with new cars, and this is one of them. I want to thank y'all for sharing my videos. You're helping me out greatly. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I got plenty of cars to come. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later.